Hello guys, this will be a really quick video. I will be putting up some more videos in the future. I have some done, but I'm just gonna edit them. I did them some months ago. Obviously I'm not an English speaker, so this is cringe, but anyway, I really wanted to review this beer, the Mad Canary IPA. It's 3.5%, so it's like a beer, not a strong beer. And it says a session IPA that won't ruffle your feather. That's what it says there. And it's by Brutal Brewing. And it's water and hops. And I don't know how to say this in English, corn malt, but I don't know how to say it. So it's the hops that are in this beer is Amarillo, Cascade, Comet, and Magnum. Okay, so it's some citrus hops. So we're gonna try it. I just opened it, and it smells great. That was why I wanted to review this. So let's go here. Yeah, let's try it. Very good. Simple flavor. Very good. I like it. I can pour up one more, and then I think the beer is, yeah, now it is everything in the glass, right? So yeah, I will rate this beer a 7.5 out of 10. So 7.5 out of 10 from me. I hope you guys are having a great day. This was a really quick beer review. So once again, the Mad Canary Session IPA by Brutal Brewing. Very good. Not a whole lot of bitterness. I mean, it is bitter, but you don't have that. It doesn't stick along all too long. Compared to some other IPAs. But anyway, this is a good IPA. Try it out if you want. And with that, have a great day and stay awesome. See you guys next time.